Oil change.
It ain't flashed up, but she was supposed to be doing that when she went on her money and stuff. Thank you. You cold?
No, just feeling. Up instead of going down. You came up just to go back down. That's like,
Oh, okay. No, I ain't
you came, you drove to CPS just to turn around.
I can get 8th Street from right here. This one or the next one? This one. Yeah.
She had to pee too. She said, I gotta use the bathroom.
I wish the sheriff would go get his ass tomorrow and bring him over here. That's what I wish. Then we gotta do all this again tomorrow.
At this point, it's dropping off at home.
That's like, yeah, girl.
I got work Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and I don't have time for this shit. When I'm at working 9 to 9. I can't just get done.
National scholarships and home to over 80 U.S. Department of State life recipients. WKU's commitment to scholar development and mentorship opportunities supports students' climb to even greater heights as they seek and earn national competitive.
They're right out that way anyway. Wait,
More information
they ain't gonna do this shit, bro.
prepare graduates to stand out above the rest at wku.edu.
Station. Everybody sit.
Right here, 103.9 The Groove.
And she's like, I hope this is what they asked me for. And the man was like, he's the man who did my EPO filing work. He was like, yeah, this is the only stamp we got. Exactly. And she gave me 3. He stamped it 3 different copies. So I ain't gonna charge you for it. I'm gonna charge you for the one. Yeah, they're paying $12. Yeah, what you can do, you can stay and answer these phones for me. He's an old man too, like an old bookkeeper.
Been there 50,000 years.
He's the man who told me, well, who's watching your son when he goes to all these court dates and when he goes to work? And I'm